Alright, so I think that it is rather useless for me to solve both JavaScript katas and Python katas because it is just it doesn't teach me like anything about the language. I think that is what I think, not what it is, but it just makes me look up different ways to do stuff in either of languages, and the thing is that both languages have kind of a different base, and I think that is can be confusing. That is evident from like Python has different best practices as JavaScript has best practices. Although now that I say it out loud, I think how can they be different best practices if in computing you wanna like do it most efficiently, most accurately. Ignore letter case. Alright, so let's see. Isograms. An isogram is a word that has no repeating letters, consecutive or non-consecutive. Implement a function that determines whether a string that contains only letters is an isogram. Assume the empty string is an isogram. Ignore the letter case. Well, that seems like a 7Q kata that's kinda hard. So how are we gonna do that? How are we going to do that? We could just like put every let's say for letter in, we make a list of a string and then we say dot lowercase. I think, does that count? Print letter has no attribute lowercase. Python all letters to lowercase. Lower, just say lower. Yeah, and then we say letters, we just say letters. I don't know how to get like better at naming the fucking variable names. I really don't. Just like letters. And then we say print letter. And then we say oh no, we just say for a letter in that, and we say contains. So we say Python contains say I might use the contains method. Oh, that's for Java string. What the fuck? In find method. Find soccer, find Ronaldo. Some advanced stuff. How about if we want to count the occurrences? So we say Python count occurrences. Dot count. It just dot count. So we say. So we just say string dot lower dot count, and we count letter. So we say if count of that letter is greater than 1, say return false. Else, otherwise just like return true, you know, nothing will happen. Alright, all of the tests pass. So we divided the string into a list, converted all into lowercase, and then checked for every letter if there is more than one of that letter in that list. Not in that list, we made another occurrence of the list. So we shall see if anyone has made a better solution. Okay. Okay. If length string set. Oh my god, they turn it into set. Oh, I'm not really thinking in sets. I have never really used a set by myself. Oh my god, this is so nice. Wow. This is so nice. Respect, you know, really respect. Shit, that's so good. Because set means just one instance of a character, and here it means that it shall remove any over redundant instances of character, and that means that this one shall be the same, or this one shall be longer if this contains. Wow, alright, nice one. We learned something, you know. Well, did we learn it? I don't know. Yeah, we did learn something. But you know, as Hiša Experimento logo says, slišal sem in sem si zapomnil. Ne, slišal sem in sem pozabil, videl sem in sem si zapomnil, naredil sem in znam. Now we're at the second one. We're not at the third one. So maybe we could do the third one. Naredil sem in znam. Just in a different way. A little bit differently. And you say, if return, and we say length of the string equals to the, let's just say, length of the set, let's just say string. Alright. Well, what if we say upper instead of lower? To be built-in function or method is not iterable. Okay, maybe we need to do that. Oh, that also passes, you know. And we did it a little differently. Although this main thing can is not really made differently. So we submit that. Maybe we could use set comprehension. You know, they used lower, we used upper. Love it. Alright, that's a nice little kata. Hope to come up soon with this one, Castle of Cubes. I'm getting pretty close to it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a swell day.